Wait! Her Highness commands that I go with you. She's curious about the planet.
Musa or Yusa?
I'm Padme, one of the Queen's handmaidens.
This is not a good idea. But if the Queen wishes it... Now we need to find a mechanic selling the parts we need. Let's ask around.
Mos es Komodic.
I know what you need. You need a cute little propeller hat.
Nah, I don't know nothing about no ship repairs. Hey!
Let me guess, looking for ship parts? Thought so. Everyone is. You'll be one.
Hey! Subadanaga!
I need parts for a J-Type 327 Nubian. I have 20,000 Republic Dactaries.
Republic credits are no good out here. I need something more real.
You're a funny little boy.
I'm building a pod racer.
You must have Jedi reflexes if you race pods.
There's big race tomorrow on Bunty Eve. You can enter my pod.
Anakin.
The prize credits will more than pay for the parts they need.
The Force is unusually strong with him. That much is clear.
He deserves better than a slave's life. The boy tells me you want to sponsor him in the race.
Well, I've acquired a pod in a game of chance. I wager my new racing pod against, say, the boy and his mother.
No pod is worth 2 slaves.
The boy, then.
Deal.
If that's everything we need, we should make our way to the arena and enter young Anakin into the race.
That's absolutely right. And a big turnout here from all corners of the Outer Rim territory. And a late entry, young Anakin Skywalker, a local boy.
Remember, concentrate on the moment. Feel, don't think. Use your instincts.
I will.
May the Force be with you.
And there goes Skywalker. He'll be hard-pressed to catch up with the leaders today. They're heading into the Mushroom Mesa. Now, these are mushrooms I wouldn't want a mouthful of.
Chupalergo de Bushtu.
Mahonica's crashed out of the race. Tough to watch, but the crowd seemed to like it.
Whoa! This is more like it!
Fitting these parts through the notch is like fitting Java into a Next 34 land speeder. It's gonna be tight. Looks like a couple of Tusken Raiders who camped out on the canyon U-turn. Not bad for a kid with only 2 legs. Lap 1 complete. Just 2 more to go. If they can survive them. Ouch! Odie Mandel's race has ended early. You hate to see it. There goes Skywalker's power coupling.
I'm never gonna win unless I reattach it.
Look at him go! It doesn't matter how many eyes you got when you head into the darkness of the Laguna Caves. Poor rats around. There aren't enough big droids in the galaxy to fix that pod now. That's the start of the 3rd and final lap. So Bobo's in the lead. Surely he has this in the bag.
Woohoo!
better look out. Those Tusken Raiders look dangerous. It's Skywalker! The crowd are going nuts!
Yeah. Oh.
You knew the boy was going to win. Somehow you knew it.
Bring the parts to the main hangar. I'll come by your shop later on so you can release the boy.
Mom! Look at all the credits we have!
Now you can make your dreams come true, Annie.
Pack your things. We haven't much time.
Yippee!
Is he to become a Jedi?
Yes.
What about Mom?
Son, my place is here. It is time for you to let go.
I will come back and free you, Mom. I promise.
Oh, Master Anakin. I should prefer it if I were a little more completed.
I'm sorry I wasn't able to finish you, 3PO. Bye.
Oh, my.
Anakin, it's time for us to leave Tatooine. Let's hurry back to the ship.
You mean I get to come with you? In your starship?
If Master Obi-Wan not getting Bordo and leaving us here, he's no liking Jar Jar.
New hits are available, by the way, just in case you...
Yours, Planet.
Someone went to a lot of effort to collect this database, didn't they? Good luck on your travels, I guess. I'll be here if you need any more information.
Anakin, drop!
Oh, Gooberfish!
Go! Tell them to take off!
There you are. Finally, we have revealed ourselves to the Jedi. Follow them, my young apprentice. You know what to do.
Well, if we can avoid fighting any more hooded strangers, perhaps we'll actually get to Coruscant this time.
Indeed. However, I believe that stranger may have been the Sith Lord.
Fancy that. A personal welcome from Senator Palpatine himself.
Let us quickly explain the situation in Naboo, so my people may finally be saved.
Greetings, Your Majesty, Master Jedi. It is a great gift to see you alive, Your Majesty. With the communications breakdown, we had begun fearing the worst. I'm anxious to hear about the situation on Naboo. Your Highness, Would you be so kind as to accompany me to the Senate to discuss the matter there? The Supreme Chancellor Valorum has called for a special session of the Senate to discuss the situation on Naboo. Though, I must be frank, he has little real power, and it is unlikely the Senate will act on the invasion. I believe our best option is for Her Majesty to push for the election of a new Supreme Chancellor who can take control and give us justice. Ah, here we are. These transport ships will take us to the Senate building. I have some prior business to attend to, so I shall go on ahead. Once you're ready, come find me in my office. We shall proceed to the meeting.
You need to get across the planet? I'm your droid. You'll be there in no time.
Ah, there you are. Are you ready to begin the meeting?
We must do something quickly to stop the Federation.
Order! Order!
Honorable representatives of the Republic, I move for a vote of no confidence in Chancellor Valorum's leadership.
Order! Order!
I've decided to go back to Naboo.
Please, Your Majesty, stay here where it's safe.
I take Anakin as my Padawan learner.
Now is not the time for this. Go with the Queen to Naboo and unravel the mystery of the Sith.
Clouded this boy's future is.
Do you really believe we can convince Boss Nass to help us, Your Highness?
What other option is there? I have faith we can convince him.
You should not know a boss like me, sir. He's as stubborn like a famba.
Encouraging as always, Jar Jar.
I've had a fresh update, so my existence has meaning again, apparently. I've received an update since you last checked in, you know.